So we are checking out now. Sorry, morning voice. So we are checking out now for our next flight. We are back at this train station. So we'll be going to Terminal 3 to catch our flight to Calgary. The weather for today is a bit drizzling, about 11 or less than that, about 11 degrees. So we are loving the the weather actually. So finally we checked in all our bags, and now we are waiting for our flight to Calgary at about 10 a.m. local time. This is the best that we can get: tuna sandwich and Starbucks. Okay, our gate has opened now, so we are going to fly to Calgary. So how long the flight will be from Toronto? Oh, okay, Toronto to Calgary will be 4 hours. Okay, I think we're going to enjoy this. I see you in Calgary. Welcome to Calgary. Okay, so we have arrived Calgary. Time now is 12:30 p.m. local, and it's 8 degrees Celsius. So back in Singapore, the time is 2:30 a.m. We're now collecting our car. Oh yes. Okay, now we are in, let's go, in the town of Alberta. So we're going to find the only place that serve halal food is over there. Okay, so this is the place.
This is double cheeseburger.
Okay.
This is mushroom Swiss.
Wow. And onion rings.
Not really yet.
Okay, we had our meal. It's very cool. And now we are going to our hotel. So it will take us about 1 hour to the hotel, about 102 kilometers. Okay, Liz, are you ready?
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.